Ditch the potato cam. Canon EOS R50 makes you look like Spielberg, even if you just vlogged your cat. Ready to kiss your pixelated, shaky smartphone videos goodbye? The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is here to upgrade your content game from meh to marvelous. Whether you're a budding YouTuber, TikTok magician, or proud dog parent documenting daily zoom eyes, this camera makes 4K magic happen effortlessly. Its 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, paired with the lightning-fast Digic X processor, gives you creamy bokeh, razor-sharp focus, and color so rich it could pay your rent. This compact camera is like a Hollywood studio in your hoodie pocket, and yes, it even autofocuses faster than your crush ghosts you. What really makes the Canon EOS R50 leave other entry-level cameras crying in their lens caps? For starters, dual Pixel CMOS AF II covers the whole frame, 100% by 100%. With 651 autofocus zones, it tracks everything from twitchy squirrels to eyeliner tutorials with zero lag. And the best part? It thinks for you. With Advanced A+ Assist, it reads the room, adjusts settings, and handles low light like a pro. That's right, your shots will look so cinematic, people will think you sold your soul to get that lighting. Spoiler, you didn't. Canon just nailed the tech. Content creators, rejoice. This camera isn't just smart, it's your on-call camera crew. Want crispy uncropped 6K oversampled 4K video? It's yours. Need that slow-mo 120 frames per second full HD for your next parkour fail reel? Done. Thanks to Movie for close-up demo mode, it refocuses the moment you hold a product up, making it the holy grail of beauty vloggers and gadget reviewers. Oh, and vertical video? Totally supported. With the Vari-angle LCD touchscreen and vertical composition mode, you'll never have to flip your phone or do acrobatics just to frame your shot again. In a world full of meh cameras that cost way too much and do way too little, the Canon EOS R50 actually earns its keep, and then some. Affordable? Yes. Lightweight and travel-friendly? Absolutely. Livestream ready with UVC support? Bet your ring light on it. With built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB-C, you'll have your photos and videos uploaded to Instagram before your iced coffee even melts. You don't need extra gear, apps, or a NASA degree to make this baby work. It's all plug, shoot, slay, and post. Let's talk durability and value. This isn't one of those looks cool but breaks if you sneeze on it cameras. It's Canon tough with tech-tested components, built for creators who need reliable gear that keeps up. Customers rave about its color accuracy, autofocus precision, and pro-level performance that doesn't come with a pro-level headache. Whether you're snapping vacation memories, creating an online empire, or just finally wanting to look amazing on Zoom, the EOS R50 is your all-access pass to content greatness, without draining your wallet or your will to live.